Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Gather all your tools, including a 5/8" spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench, which are essential for a smooth process. Now, let's access those spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which is typically secured by a few bolts or clips. Once the cover is off, you will see the ignition coil packs, usually 4 or 6 depending on your engine, sitting directly on top of each spark plug. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil pack, then unbolt and remove them, setting them aside in order. With the coil packs removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use your 5/8" spark plug socket and an extension to carefully loosen and remove each old plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear patterns. Before installing the new plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. Hand tighten each new plug to avoid cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to approximately 15 to 20 pound-feet. Almost done, carefully reinstall the ignition coil packs, ensuring they are seated correctly over each spark plug. Reconnect all the electrical connectors firmly. Next, replace the engine cover, making sure all bolts or clips are securely fastened. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Hyundai Santa Fe and listen for a smooth idle. Take it for a short test drive to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.